Hi, it's Member Pig. This is my new airsoft gun that I got yesterday. The famss. It is 466 FPS, and this gun is awesome. I shot my friend with it. He started bleeding. It was actually pretty funny. But yeah, the famss is really cool. As you can see, it's automatic, and there's a gear right here. It's black, so you can't really see. It's not like the white one. You push this way, and the bolts can feed through up there, which feed through here, so it can shoot out the barrel. And then actually, this wasn't that bad for 400 FPS. This gun is actually 160. It wasn't that bad. So, yeah. I just love this gun. I'm thinking about buying an AK-74U soon. So if I do, I will keep you updating. So, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe.